I am going to show you everything that has to do with the YouTube revenue and the revenue tabs today. Remember, we are still on our 14 days posting challenge, talking about everything that has to do with the YouTube studio. And this video is going to help you a lot, whether you are a new YouTuber or you are an old creator. I want to show you the practical aspect of the YouTube revenue and the revenue tab using the YouTube studio and using my content as an example. If you are a new YouTuber, don't think that this content is not for you because maybe you are not monetized or maybe you don't have the revenue tab yet, but very soon you will get monetized and you will be needing this video. So just learn it now and know it so that when you get monetized, calculating your revenue or knowing how your revenue is being distributed is not going to be a problem for you at all. Let us dive straight into my phone. We've talked about the trend tab, the overview tab, the content tab, the audience tab, and this revenue tab. So when you click on this revenue tab, here is where you will see all the money that you are making on YouTube. This place they wrote all. This all covers both this watch page ad, short feed ad, and the supers. This all covers all of them. So if you are scrolling down, you will just be seeing it. So now this is the money I've made from this particular channel. So we are going to use one of my content to show you this example. I am going to show you my video that has 1.4 million views and still counting from my Faceless Entertainment channel, and I will equally show you another video of 200k views. You compare the two and see what influenced the revenue of those videos. Now let me show you something. So here is the video with the 1.4 million views. But before I go to the revenue of this video, let me first of all tell you the meaning of RPM and CPM in a very detailed and understandable way. Now, RPM means revenue per mile. That is the meaning. In other words, you can call it revenue per 1,000 views. While CPM means cost per mile, or you can call it cost per 1,000 views. That cost means how much YouTube is charging. How much YouTube is charging advertisers. Cost of that video that you uploaded on YouTube as a monetized channel. How much YouTube is charging advertisers to place an ad on your video. That is the cost per 1,000 views. For every 1,000 views a particular video have, this is how much advertisers are willing to pay. That is the cost, how much advertisers are paying. Then revenue is your own cut. For every 1,000 views that you have in a particular video, this is how much YouTube will give you from the money advertisers pay. They will share it, give you your own and take their own. Let me use this particular video as an example to show you how much some channels are making and the things that can influence the revenue of a particular video. So before I come online to say anything, it is not something I heard. It is something that I've experienced, something that I'm looking at, something that I've seen. Just calm down, you see how I will show you everything right now. So how many views are you seeing here? 1.4 million views and still counting from one video. So let me show you the revenue. The revenue will shock you. When you look at this place, they wrote how much advertisers pay. You will see they wrote cost for every 1k view in brackets CPM. So how much did the advertiser pay for this video that has 1.4 million views? $1. $1. That's what advertisers pay. Don't laugh. Now, after this, I'm going to show you another video and I will equally tell you what influenced how much advertisers pay. Practical. Remember, everything is inside YouTube Creator Studio, the mobile app. My RPM for this particular video of 1.4 million views will be 0.31. That's 3 cents. Now, if you times it with this 1.4 million, what are you going to get? $400 from a video of 1.4 million views. This is a Nigerian-based entertainment channel. Now, I am going to show you foreign-based entertainment channel. So you will compare the two and see the difference. I want to show you how to calculate RPM so that you will not make mistake. How much is my RPM for that video? 0.31, and the video is 1.4 million views. You are not going to times it straight up and do 1.4 million times 0.31. No. First of all, you will do 1.4 million divided by 1,000. The total views you have for that particular video, you must divide it by 1,000 before you times. If you did not do it like that, you're not going to get the accurate figure. Why you are dividing by 1,000 is because it's 1k per 1,000 what views. Revenue for 1,000 views. So you have to divide by 1,000. So dividing this by 1,000, I will have 1,004. Now 1,400 times 0.31 431. What are you seeing here? 434, and that video got 444. It is because I removed some fraction in the views, because it is not exactly 1.4 million views. It's about 1.4600 and something thousand. That is why you are not having 444. Instead, you are having 434. So this is like $400 for a video of 1.4 million views. The RPM is very poor, and I'm going to tell you the things that influenced this. Now let me show you the final video. This video is foreign-based entertainment channel. Now look at the views. The views here is 275k views. Now let us go to the revenue of this video. Foreign-based entertainment channel. How much did advertisers pay? Advertisers paid $9.1. Now check the RPM. The RPM is what? $3.1. Are you seeing the difference? Video of 274k views is giving you $850 something, close to $900, close to $1,000. If this video hits like 300k views, you will be seeing $900 to $1,000. Why a video of 1.4 million views is giving you $400 and something. So what influenced this? You go to the audience. Now, this is the one of 200,000 views. What are you seeing here as the top geography? United States, South Africa, and the United Kingdom. Now let us go to the other video. So this is the video of 1.4 million views. Now go to the audience. Look at the audience. Look at the top geography. Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya. So are you seeing the margin? Why you are even seeing 3 from the RPM of that foreign channel is because it is entertainment channel. Had it been its tech related or health related channel and you are having foreign audience, I might be having 10 to 15 for my RPM. So all these things matters. YouTube is not paying the same amount for the whole content. Sometimes the geography, the countries that are watching your video can influence it. The kind of content you are producing can influence it. Some niche make more money than others. So it depends on the niche that you are into. Like I told you, health niche is the highest. After health, you see finance, people that talk about cryptocurrencies, investments, and stuff like that. Real estate, all these things are high CPM niche. YouTube automation, all this AI content, all these things are high CPM niche. So if you're a content creator, also know that there are some videos that make money more than others, but anyone that is more convenient for you, you can go on with it. Even some that make more money might not be having more views. Those ones that have plenty crowd, millions of views, might be making small money. So it all depends on anyone that you are creating. All I know is that YouTube know how to balance all these things, and they are rewarding you according to the value that you are giving. They have already established all these things as they are doing the YouTube monetization program and everything. So with this, I have done justice to everything that has to do with the revenue and the revenue tab using the YouTube Creator Studio. Remember, we are still on our 14 days posting challenge, talking about everything inside YouTube Studio. If this is your first time of coming across this video, go to the link in the description. You will see the playlist where I posted all the whole videos. The 14 days posting challenge doesn't mean that I'm going to post 14 long form videos. No, I did it one long form video, one short. So as you have watched long form video now, if you come tomorrow, what you are going to watch is short, and you will also learn a new thing inside YouTube Studio that you have not seen before. Everything is what I'm going to show you. Even if you have seen it before, I'm going to explain to you what it actually means. For the new people that are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazzy and I'm a creator for the creators. So I am here to make content creation and YouTube easier for you. If that interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and share it so that other people will see. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.